Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. Today, students, we are going to discuss the drill time of the textbook. See, students, in the last class we have discussed things about patterns, then rotation, turns. We can say that half turn, 1/3 turn, or you can say 1/4 turn. So all these type of turns we have discussed in the last class. Now, after that, there are so many things are given in the textbook. You can say there are some calendar fun is given, then you can say some examples are given, which are I explore hots part is given there, which where you can find so many types of examples are given. But students, if we are going to discuss all those here, so it will take lots of time, so better to concentrate on the basic thing that what we are actually supposed to learn at this moment, that is about the pattern related with the, you can say, the turns. So, and that we have already discussed, that is what are turns like. There we got so many types of turns. We got quarter turn means 90 degree, then we got half turn, that is 180 degree, we got 1/3 turn, that means 120 degree, then one turn is there, which means you can say 360 degree, and I already said one more extra, and that was 3/4, and 3/4 turn was 270 degree. Fine. So basically we need to concentrate on that part. So from that, if we see the drill time, we can start, because the basic thing is already over. Now we can come to the drill time. So students, please take out your textbook and see the page number 31 here. Of the textbook, page number 31, if you see drill time, the first question is, it is from the rotation part that we have already learned. Number 1 is given, rotate the following figures by 1/2, 1/3 and 1/4 turns and draw how they look after the turns. Okay, so let us start that. So question number 1, say question number 1A. Now students, if you see the figure is somehow like this. It is given, it's like a flower, somehow like this it is given. Now students, if I have to make it, say if I draw it, say if I turn it in the half direction, or you can say 1/2 rotation, you can say half also, 180 degree. What will happen? This part will come down here. That means the top will come down and this bottom will go up. So if you rotate in this way also, students, do you think that figure will be changed, or it will look something different after rotation? No students, it will exactly look the same only how it was in the beginning, because the figure is like that only, that if you rotate it also in half turn also, then also it will look like the same. Similarly, if I rotate it now, say if I rotate it now in 1/4 turn, 1/4 it is 1/3. If I rotate, that is 1/3. 1/3 means, now students, 1/3 is little bit different. 1/3 means it will be rotated like this. Say then the flower, it will go like this. That means this particular petal will be coming, you can say little bit, this part, we can say this part will come little bit here on this place. So that means you can say all the petals are looking like same only, so you will not be able to differentiate actually that which petal is coming where. But 1/3 turn if you take, so it will take somehow, say it is the standing position, from here to here it will come, so like that. So that means you can say like this. So that is why the figure will look like in this way for 1/3 turn. So it will be different for 1/3 turn, but for half turn it will be the same. And 1/4 turn, if I say 1/4 turn means, students, it was what? It was the quarter turn. So now in quarter turn, what will happen? This particular petal will come here, this petal will come here, and this will come here, and this will come here. But if you rotate it in that way also, student, it will not be same. It will be the same one. That means it will not look different. It will maintain its own position again. That means it will be the same flower in half turn also and in 1/4 turn also. But in 1/3 turn, it will look little bit different. Fine. So student, you can write down this one, or you can copy this one in a school copy. If suppose since the video is going on, you can pause it right now and you can draw this particular figure in your school copy, because since there is no place in the textbook, you have to do it in the school copy only. Fine. So students, you can pause it and you can draw the particular petal or according to the turns 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Fine. Okay. Now let us go for the next figure. The next figure is the capital letter P. So the original figure is this one. So the original figure is this one. Now students, if we have to rotate it in half turn. So half turn means it is standing like this, it will fall down like this, it will be exactly 90 degree. So if I rotate it like this for 90 degree, so how it will look like? It will look like somehow like this. That means this particular thing will come in this way. So it will be the half turn. Fine. Then what will be the 1/3? If I go ahead with the 1/3 turn, students, again it will be somehow, it will be like this way. Somehow it will be rotated in this particular position. That will be 1/3. And 1/4 finally. 1/4 means sorry students, this will be 1/4 actually, because I have drawn a little bit wrong, because half turn will not be this. This will be the 1/4 only, 90 degree. Half turn I am drawing it last, though it is written half turn first, but I am drawing it at the last. So half turn will be, this figure will completely come to this side. That is, this top part will come to bottom. So how it will look like? It will look like this. It will look like this. This top part will come clockwise here, and so it will be look like say, you can say inverted. Fine. So this will be the half turn. So there is a mismatch of the position actually. Okay. So first of all, I was thinking that it was half turn, but actually I have done the 1/4. So 1/4 is this, 1/3 is this, and 1/2 is this. So when you will draw, you draw this first according to the question. So you draw 1/2 first, then you draw 1/3, then you draw 1/4 turn. Fine. So students, like this way you need to draw number C and number D. So students, I am leaving these two questions for you as a homework, number C and number D. Two I have shown you how to do, so you need to practice now. And this type of question already I have given you as a homework also in the last, you can say last homework. So and you have already solved it. So many of you have done it correctly. So I think this time also you can do it, and you have to practice it by your own. So that is why I am leaving this C and D number for you as a homework. So I will give you this particular homework, and I will click a picture of that and I will give you. So don't worry. Now let us come to the page number 32, students. In the page number 32, the remaining part is here. Let us go ahead with that. Now in the page number 32, students, you can see question number 2, that is complete the pattern, and it is question number A. It is given, there is a T given like this. The T is falling in this way. Then the next one, the T is standing in this way, and after that the T is again falling but in this direction, and finally the T is in this way. And now we need to write down the next one. Now students, if you see properly, there is a pattern going on here. First it is like this, then it has moved to 90 degree. That is 1/4 turn it has taken. Again it has taken 1/4, 1/4, and again finally it has taken 1/4. So that means it is going by 1/4 turn. That is a quarter turn, and it is going clockwise. So let's see, this is the direction through which it is going, and that means the our hands of the clock moves in that direction. So that's why it is called clockwise movement it is going on. So if you see this one, so then the next one will be, if I rotate it again one more time, particularly for 1/4 turn, so it will look like this, and the next one will be again it will look like this. So this will be the two missing figure in that particular pattern. Number B, student, it is again a tree. It is tree is somehow look like this, See students, figures are a little bit difficult to draw immediately, but I'm trying to do it because these are printed, but I'm doing it by my rough and fine. Now the direction that you see here, it is somehow like this. Now what kind of turn it has taken, student? If you have seen the position from there, you should understand it is actually 1/3 turn, or you can say 1/3 turn it has taken. The first 1/3, then the next one again it has taken, say 1/3 turn it has taken, and again it came back to the same place like this. Now the next two will be, again it will be 1/3 turn. So in 1/3 turn means it will be look like this, fine. And the next one will be, it will be like this. So that is, these two figure will be again repeated here, fine. And this movement or this turn is going by 1/3 turn. That is, you can say 120 degree it is moving right now. Number C. The first step is this one. The second step is like this. Then it is like this. Then what will be the next two? If you see, so here also students, see, first it was like this and it has turned in this way, so 90 degree. Then again it has turned this, so again 90 degree. So the next figure will be like this, 90 degree turn, and finally it will be, and it will come back in the original position. So 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. So that is 1/4 turn actually it is taken in this particular figure. Then if you see number D, it's the capital letter A which has been drawn in this way, and B, it was drawn in this way now. So one is standing only, but it is now inverted. So we can say this top part has come where? To the bottom. So when the top part comes to the bottom directly, it takes how much time? It takes 1/2, or you can say it takes 180 degree turn. So from here to directly like this, half of the clock has been traveled. So again it has come back to its own position, and again it has come back to its again the same position. So we can say 180 degree turn taken every time. So the next one will be, it will be the same again, original position it will take, and the next one it will take the next position, that is the inverted one. So you can say first standing, then inverted standing, then again standing, again inverted standing. So like that it is going on, and every time the rotation taken here or the turn taken here is 1/2 turn, or you can say 180 degree turn it has been taken. So student, this is question number 2. All the answers are given A, B, C, D. Now student, you can pause the video and you can copy it down this particular figures in here only, because space is given in the textbook. So you can do draw this figure properly in the textbook itself here. Fine. Okay. So this is about 2 ABC. Now let us go ahead with the number 3. So number 3 is again find the missing figure to complete the following patterns. So let us see that how to do that one. Okay, so if you see number 3, it's a circle and it has been divided into how many parts? It has been divided 10 parts. So 10 parts means this is 4. Say one more part I have to draw. Now say suppose in this way I am going. Okay, so here also 1, so there is one blank and again one is there, so that will be again the same like this. Now students, every all the circles are divided into 10 part, 10 equal parts. So I will divide this also into 10 parts. Now they may not be equal students, but you can see the picture, they are equal. Fine. Now here what is done? This part, these two parts are shaded. In the next figure, what is done? These two parts are shaded. So now next is what? See students, and the next one here you can say these two parts are shaded. If you have seen students, two parts are shaded, then the next two parts are shaded. These two taken, then these two are left, these two. So here what will come? First and second, these two will be left. Now this and this part will be colored. And you see in the next one also, these two are left. And what is taken? These two are taken. If you see properly. So that means the missing one will be this one. Fine. So that is 3A. This is A. Then 3B is about a square, some square, and it has how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it has divided like this. So here also it will be like this, same only. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here will go. It will be same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can say these are the boxes given. Now here this will be the missing one. Now let us see. First it is given that one square is colored here inside, and there is a circle which is shaded here. In this way it is given. Now the next one is given how? Say this one only, if it is rotated in this way, so what will happen? This dot or this circle will come where? It will come here, and this will be coming in this particular part. So this is actually turned in what direction? It is 90-degree turn actually it has taken, 90 degree. Now this will be now rotated in this way again. So what will come? Where it will come? If you see properly students, this dot, what is here? It will come here now. It will here, and this particular square will be colored. That means if we rotate it in this way, now again in 90 degree, then this dot will come here, and this square, this colored square will come here. So this will be the figure. And after that, what will happen if I make it standing like this again? So it will, this particular will go to this place, and this will be the remaining one. So it is moving in this particular directions as of now. Fine. So that means you can say, you can rotate this figure. If you see also, if you rotate the picture also, then also you will understand. So first it is standing like this. Now if you rotate like this, it will be falling in this way. So in this way also you can say, so this corner is coming to this corner, then the second one, then this corner to this corner. So every time corners are moving. If you see, first corner, then next corner, then this corner, then this corner. Fine. And this colored square is always in the middle, if you see. So that is number B. Number C and D, they are also similar type. So students, you can pause the video and write it down, this thing particularly in your places given here. So you can draw it here immediately. Okay, during this video itself, you can pause the video and you can draw the required diagrams. Fine. Now let us come for the next one. Let us come for the next one, that is number C. So student, question number C, if you see, in number C, that the figure is given in this way. Fine. The figure, if you see properly students, this is the first figure, second figure is missing, third and fourth is given. The second figure already I have done. I will explain you how this will come. If you take this one and if you rotate now anti-clockwise, that means how the clock, the hands of the clock moves, that is called clockwise. If you rotate in the opposite direction, it will be anti-clockwise. So this will, if it rotates 90 degree, that is, or you can say 1/4 turns of anti-clockwise, the position will come here. Okay, let us rotate this also again anti-clockwise in 1/4 turn. Then will I get this figure? If you try this, then you will say yes, I will get this one only. And if I rotate this figure also again in 1/4 turn and anti-clockwise, I will get this figure. So our pattern assumption is correct. That means this is rotating in 1/4 turn or 90 degree turn, but in anti-clockwise direction, not in clockwise. And student, to make it easier, you can take this book, this particular figure. If you have seen this one, so you can rotate it also according to your convenience. Let's suppose like this, if you rotate, it is 90 degree rotated, or anti-clockwise. Again I have rotated in like this. So then also you will have an idea that how the figure will look like after that 90-degree turn or after 180-degree turn. If you rotate the figure by yourself in the textbook, that will also give you an idea. Okay. Now the next one, that is number D, that is last of the question number 3. It's 4 circles are drawn. Now in these 4 circles, it is divided into 8 equal parts. So I will first divide it. Okay, so now they are shaded in color. Say this one is green and this one is red. Now again this one is green and this one is red. Now here again this one is green and this one is red. So see students, when green is there, red is going there. That means opposite part. Just face to face part is the red one, or face to face part is the green one. So like that they are connected. Now how I have given, see how the pattern is moving. Here it is green, one part left, again green coming, one part left, again green coming. So next one will be one part left, again green will come. That means green will be coming here. After this we will leave this part and green will come in here. And this green opposite directly the red will come. That means you need to shade this part green and this part red. But after drawing the circle and making the equal part like that. Fine. So students, if we have seen, we have completed today question number 3 also, and question number 4, 5 is there, and number 6 is there. Number 6, those are word sums actually, that we will discuss in the next class, and with that we will start the workbook portion also. So student, you can before going to that next part, please you can do it. You can pause the video and you can note it down, fine, and draw the particular figure. Now students, question number 4 and 5, there are 2 questions are given. These 2 questions I will leave as a homework for you, because these are about number patterns, and I hope so number patterns you can easily find out. It's not so much difficult, and if you get any difficulty, no problem, because I will solve these questions and I will send it to you. But the main thing is that you have to try the answers by yourself first. You do it first by yourself, whether it is correct or incorrect, don't think about it. Solve it and send it to me. When I will give you the answer, please every time student do this thing. Whenever I submit the answer, correct answer of the questions given of the previous class, please match with your answer. Is it matching or not? If it is matching, that means you are correct. If it is not matching, you see where you have gone wrong. That is the most important part, to analyze yourself, that whether I am correct or incorrect. If it is correct, it's very good. If it is incorrect, why you are incorrect? That is the most important part for a student to understand by himself or herself. Fine. So student, question number 4 and 5, I will write it down and I will send an image or picture of this, that what will be your homework for today. So don't worry, and I will give you the assigned date also, and on that particularly you have to send me the homework. So students, we will wind up today here. Question number 6 will be left. Question number 6 we will discuss in the next class, that is on Monday, with the workbook portion. Now students, remember this Saturday we are going to again have the worksheet test of MindSpark. So be ready with the MindSpark. Please do not log in before 9:30. In fact, not at 9:30 also. If I ask you when you will see the video, and after that only you just log in, fine, on the MindSpark. And just keep on doing the MindSpark thing, because it is very important, and it's going to help you a lot regarding the mathematical things or the concept, students. Fine. So I have seen that most of all the students have almost logged in, except 2 or 3 students have not done yet, but the rest of the whole class have already started doing MindSpark. So it's a very good thing for you, and I'm happy with that everyone is taking part in this good thing, and which is a very good initiative from everyone. Fine. So students, let us meet on Saturday for the MindSpark class, and on Monday we will continue with the remaining question number 6 and the workbook. Fine. Thank you.